The term nixtamalization, in Spanish nixtamalización, has been used to describe the process for any grain that can be used to remove the pericarp by cooking and steeping the dried kernels with water and lime, calcium hydroxide. It comes from the Aztec language Nahuatl, in which the word nixtli means ashes and tamali means unformed maize dough. The process of converting maize into dough and then tortillas through nixtamalization depends on several different factors, such as the type of maize, the amount of water and lime, heat treatments, soaking periods, and the milling process. These factors induce changes in the kernel's structure, chemical composition, functional properties, and nutritional value. Nixtamalization also affects the smell, flavor, and color of the product, and its control of microbiological activity increases the shelf life of products such as tortillas. Nixtamalization provides several nutritional benefits, including 1. Reduced risk of pellagra disease due to the improved vitamin B3, niacin bioavailability. 2. Increased calcium intake in the population due to its absorption by the kernels during the steeping process. 3. Increased resistant starch content in food products, serving as a source of dietary fiber. 4. Significantly reduced mycotoxins in kernels. And 5. Nixtamalization increases the bioavailability of iron, reducing the risk of anemia in consumers. It is a traditional maize preparation method that has been practiced in Central America for centuries. It allows for the creation of masa, or maize dough, which can be formed into many traditional food items that form the basis of Central American diets, such as tortillas. In Mexico alone, there are more than 300 food products derived from nixtamalization, tortillas being the most popular. Cereal contamination by mycotoxins is a current and increasing problem that threatens the safety of grains, and it is becoming a public health and economic problem in different parts of the world. Pre- and post-harvest strategies can help mitigate mycotoxin contamination of grain. Pre-harvest aflatoxins and fumonisins management strategies include the use of tolerant germplasm, good agronomic management, and biological control. Post-harvest strategies include all practices from harvest until consumption. Nixtamalization is one of the most effective processes in reducing mycotoxins such as fumonisins and aflatoxins. A decrease in aflatoxins and fumonisins between 35 and 92% for aflatoxins and 28 to 98% for fumonisins have been reported in different studies. Thus, nixtamalization is one of the post-harvest actions to be further explored to reduce consumer exposure to mycotoxins.